Hello friends, so today we will be talking about velocity. Before we know velocity, we have to know about speed. So what is speed? Speed is the distance traveled by a body per unit time. In simple words, we can tell that velocity is speed only, but in a definite direction or a given direction. Here I have written speed plus direction equal to velocity. So how it comes, now I will show you. The formula of speed is distance by time, and here is direction, so you have to add both this. Here we are observing that distance plus direction. In my previous video I have told that distance plus direction give us displacement, so I have written here displacement and by time. This is the formula of velocity. So there is a similarity between the SI units of speed and velocity. SI unit of velocity is meter per second, and the SI unit of speed is also meter per second. By observing this all, we came to an end that we can make our own definition that velocity is the speed traveled by a body in a given direction. So now I will show you a numerical. Here there is a numerical that Geeta swims in a 90-meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to another and back along the same straight path. Find speed and velocity of Geeta when she swims from one end to another and back along the same straight path. Here I have drawn a diagram of the pool. The measurement of the pool is 90 meter long. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute. So we have to write the given part there. The length of the pool is 90 meter and the time taken is 1 minute. So we have to convert 1 minute to second. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Then the time will be 60 seconds. There is written that she covers 180 meter in 1 minute from one end to another and back along the same straight path. First we have to find the speed of Geeta. The formula of speed is distance by time. So Geeta swims 180 meter. 90 plus 90 equal to 180 meter. Then the displacement distance will be 180 meter and the time taken will be 60 seconds. 0 0 will cut and 6 3 is 18. Then the answer we have got that 3 meter per second is Geeta's speed. Now we have to find Geeta's velocity. The formula of velocity is displacement by time. So Geeta's displacement will be 0. Why? Her initial position was, I have taken this A and B. Her initial position was A and her final position was also A, because he has came to back along the same straight path. First she had covered 90 meter and then she had came along the same straight path to A, and then the displacement will be 0 and the time taken is 60, and we know that 0 by anything is 0 only, so the velocity is 0 meter per second. Therefore speed equal to 3 meter per second and velocity equal to 0. I hope you have understand everything. Thank you.